In this example, we look at how to simplify algebra when the terms include the multiply symbol. You know from algebra basics, we tend not to use the multiply symbol when writing algebraic expressions. Let's just review what it would mean when we see the multiply symbol in these expressions. Here you're seeing two expressions that have the multiply symbol. You're looking at expressions in expanded form. When we simplify them, we are returning them to index form. In the first example, all I can do is simplify the numbers, because 4 times 6 is 24, and simplify the letters by writing them as A, B. That's this expression simplified. In the next example, you can see base A has an index, and we're going to use a tip which involves our index finger. That's this one in the picture. For the numbers, there's only coefficient 2. But for the pronumerals, I have A times A. So when I use my index finger, the number of times the pronumeral appears is the index. And because there's only one pronumeral C, that is all I write. So when we simplify expressions with the multiply symbol, we're really just returning them to index form. And we're finished when there's one term. There's one more key idea for these type, and it's this one. When we multiply integers, mixtures make a minus. So the simplest form of 4 times -3 is -12. And with the index finger, I've 1A, 1C. I'm finished because there's one term. On the next one, the key idea reminds us pairs make a positive. So that pair of integers is +24. Use my index finger, 1, 2, 3. I write base A, index 3. You can practice these examples. We'll do these 6 together. Example 1, it just says simplify. Part A is 2 times -3. So what do I see? I see a mixture. I make it a minus. And with my index finger, base A appears once. Part B. Now I see a mixture. Do you? Because this is 2 times -1. Remember, -C means -1 of the C's. 2 times -1, -2. And the letters 1A, 1C. Part C. See the numbers? Pairs make a positive. +20. And the letters. Use your index finger. 1, 2. I write base A, index 2. Part D. That's a pair, and it makes +10. +10 times -4. That's a minus. -40. Now the letters, count 1N and 1P. Remember, you're finished when there's one term. Part E. There's no numbers. Aha, but there's a secret 1 times 1. Remember? So let's just count the letters. 1, 2, 3, written as base N, index 3. And part F, numbers first. 2 times 4 is 8, times -2. That's a mixture. -16. Now the letters. For the ends, 1, 2, 3, written as base N, index 3, and 1P. This is simplifying algebra when you see the multiplication symbol.